Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the FLYWOO Mr.Croc 5-inch racing frame. In this video I'm going to quickly assemble it, then go over its features and specs, and soon I'm going to feature it in a build video using mostly FLYWOO parts, including the new FLYWOO INI 50A 4-in-1 ESC. As you can see, assembling the frame is extremely easy and will take you probably a couple of minutes. It weighs 127.6 grams. The battery is designed to be mounted on top of the frame. The thickness of the top and bottom plates is 2 mm. The thickness of the replaceable arms is 5 mm. The width of each arm is about 9.6 mm. On the bottom plate you can find 3 placements for 20 by 20 and 30 by 30 mounting holes. So you can find one on the back, center, and also on the front. And this can be pretty useful for mounting, for example, an HD action camera board on the front and a VTX on the back. The distance between the bottom plate and the top one is 25.2 mm. And just like most of the recent racing frames, this frame supports only micro-sized FPV cameras. In addition, this is the golden version, and if you'd like, you can also get all these parts in black. The arms of the FLYWOO Mr.Croc can be mounted in 2 ways. Now it is set to the Squash X pattern, and if you'd like, you can also change it to Stretch X. In this position, the wheelbase is about 230 mm. The distance between the right motors and the left ones is about 17 cm, and the distance between the front motors and the back ones is about 14.2 cm. Changing between the Squash X and Stretch X patterns is done by repositioning the arms. So you will have to remove these 3 screws, then reposition the arm to align with these 2 holes over here. Then secure it, and that's how the frame looks like after it's been set to the Stretch X pattern. In this positioning, the wheelbase is about 260 mm. The distance between the left motors and the right ones is about 17 cm, and the distance between the front motors and the back ones is about 18.4 cm. When the frame is going to be set to a Squash X pattern, the biggest propeller that you'll be able to use is a 5.5-inch propeller, and when set to Stretch X, the biggest size would be 5.2-inch. So overall, the FLYWOO Mr.Croc seems like a pretty interesting and versatile freestyle frame. It offers plenty of mounts, and I'm looking forward to see how it's going to perform when I'm going to feature it in a build video. In addition, I'm also going to run a pretty interesting test using this frame, so stay tuned. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.